Hey guys, what's going on? I'm sure so many of you guys have seen the big pullback in cryptocurrency market the last few days. Ethereum hit a high of 1,400. It got down as low as $750 today. Bitcoin got under 10,000. Litecoin 150. Heck, even the smaller ones like Ripple hit a high of $3.40. It was at sub $1 today, 80 cents. I got so many emails of people just in pure panic on what the heck they're supposed to do. I give everybody the same advice. You don't have to do anything. So you shouldn't even be in them when they're crashing like that. Crashes are good. Big pullbacks are good because they allow fresh buying to emerge. So we've been out of the market for days. When I start to see that weakness in the market, when you start to see those topping formations in terms of technical analysis patterns, what we do is we go to cash and we just wait. Because in the cryptocurrency market, when you get those 50% pullbacks, they happen within 3 or 4 days. It's not like it drops 50% over the course of a year and you're just watching that slow bleed, wondering what to do. They happen fast. You get stopped out of your positions for small losses, as you always should be managing your risk. But then this is the exciting part, is that you get to hunt for prime time entries when the volatility is coming in. So like today in our chat room, we added Ethereum at $8, $815. We added NEO, which was $200 just a few days ago. We added that sub 100 today. It's at 134 as we speak, and numerous other places. I love crashes because it allows me to get in fresh when I see new buying opportunities emerge using the technical analysis patterns that we teach in our classes, our stock trading boot camp, our cryptocurrency boot camp. We literally time the bottoms of these down to nearly the dollar, and that's what I like about it. Remember guys, that there are traders and then there are investors. I am a trader, so I'm always spotting those prime time opportunities where my risk is low but my reward is huge. See, at $750, $800, my upside to Ethereum could be $500, $600. Where if I'm trying to buy it at $1,400, where's my upside? And so today's pullback was a gift. I love seeing it because it allows me to get fresh back into these positions that I dumped a week ago.